our 46 chromosomes, everyone has two sex chromosomes. We call these X and Y. Females have two X chromosomes and males have one X and one Y. These chromosomes also carry genes, and we can do what is called sex-linked crosses to follow traits through generations. Genes on the X chromosome affect males and females, as both get at least one X chromosome from their parents. However, because males only have one X chromosome, it only takes that one to have the phenotype of a trait. There is no second X chromosome to hide it. Also because of this, males cannot be considered homozygous or heterozygous for X chromosome genes. For example, colorblindness is an X chromosome recessive trait. That is why it is more common among men. If they get an X chromosome with the colorblind trait, then they will be colorblind. A female would have to be homozygous recessive to be colorblind. Genes on the Y chromosome only affect males, as females don't have a Y chromosome. Y chromosome genes will also always pass from father to all of his sons, and they will all have the phenotype of the trait, as there is no second Y chromosome to mask it. Let's do an example. In fruit flies, the gene for eye color is on the X chromosome. Red eyes are dominant to white. A red-eyed male fruit fly is crossed with a heterozygous red-eyed female. What possible offspring could they have? For sex-linked genes, we have to write the X and Y chromosomes so we can keep track of males versus females. And we use superscripts to show the gene we're crossing. For the parents, the female is X big R, X little r, as she is heterozygous, and the male is X big R, Y. Eye color is only on the X chromosome, and he has red eyes. Let's plug these into a Punnett square, and we get X big R, X big R, X big R, X little r, X big R, Y, and X little r, Y. For the female offspring, all will have the phenotype of red eyes. The male offspring phenotypes will be 50% red eyes and 50% white eyes. Overall, the fruit fly offspring will be 75% with red eyes and 25% with white eyes from these parents. Let's look at one more example, and we'll go back to the colorblind trait we talked about earlier. A woman with normal vision whose father was colorblind marries a colorblind man. Could any of their children be colorblind? Remember, colorblindness is a recessive X chromosome gene. The woman is not colorblind, so she must have at least one X big B. Her dad was colorblind, and she must have gotten his X chromosome, since she is a girl. Her genotype is then X big B, X little b. Her husband is colorblind, so his genotype is X little b, Y. Plug those into the Punnett square and we see their daughters have a 50% chance of being colorblind, and their sons also have a 50% chance. Overall, it is likely that half of their children will be colorblind.